Afternoon, guys. This is Dana, the Russ's Ocean State Harley-Davidson here in Warwick. We also have a store in Exeter, Rhode Island. I'm out here today with this 2020 Harley-Davidson Road King in Billiard Red. This is a new color. You see it doesn't have any metal flake in it. It's like a flat red. It's a very cool color. Reminds me of the old, the fire edition bikes we used to have, firefighter edition bikes. Milwaukee 8107, 6-speed cruise drive transmission. It's all chromed out. Let's start this bike so you can hear it go. Bike. So come on down to Ocean State HD. Check out our full inventory online at oceanstatehd.com. Appreciate you watching. Have a great day, guys.